Welcome students to my channel Quick English by Neil Sir, a channel with stories, grammar and vocabulary learning videos. This is a tutorial on mixed grammar sentences. In this video, you will learn 1. How to convert Hindi sentences to English. 2. Understand in which tense the sentences are written. And 3. Vocabulary improvement. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification for my latest videos. Let's begin. Sentence number 1. This sentence is in the future continuous tense.
मैं कल जा रहा हूँ.
I will be going tomorrow. I will be going tomorrow. Sentence number 2 is in the simple past tense.
उन्होंने कहा कि यह बहुत आसान था.
They said it was too easy. They said it was too easy. Sentence number 3 is again in the simple past tense.
हम उसे तुरंत अस्पताल ले गए.
We took her urgently to the hospital. We took her urgently to the hospital. Sentence number 4 is in the present continuous tense.
हम दोनों क्लास के बाद आ रहे हैं.
Both of us are coming after class. Both of us are coming after class. Sentence number 5 is in the simple present tense, the negative form.
मुझे जवाब समझ में नहीं आ रहा है.
I do not understand the answer. I do not understand the answer. Sentence number 6 is in the simple present tense.
कपड़े सुखा दो.
Put the clothes for dry. Put the clothes for dry. Sentence number 7, once again, simple present tense, the negative form.
मुझे गुस्सा मत दिलाओ.
Don't make me angry or do not make me angry. Sentence number 8, the present continuous tense.
अंधेरा हो रहा है.
It's getting dark, or you can say it is getting dark. Sentence number 9, simple present tense.
मुझे नहाने दो.
Let me take a bath. Let me take a bath. Sentence number 10, simple future tense.
इंडिया जीतेगी.
India will win. India will win. Sentence number 11, in the past continuous tense.
हालांकि मैं सोच रहा था.
Though I was thinking. Though I was thinking. Sentence number 12, simple present tense, interrogative form.
क्या राजेश अंदर है?
Is Rajesh in? Is Rajesh in? Sentence number 13, past tense, modal verb form.
क्या मुझे आपको कॉल या ईमेल करना चाहिए?
Should I call or email you? Should I call or email you? Sentence number 14, simple future tense, the interrogative form.
तुम कैसे जाओगे?
How will you go? How will you go? Sentence number 15, simple present tense.
यह मुफ्त है।
It is free of cost. It is free of cost. Sentence number 16. Future perfect tense, the negative form.
राज काम पर नहीं गया होगा।
Raj will not have gone to work. Raj will not have gone to work. Sentence number 17. The past perfect tense, a negative form.
हमने पहले उस रेस्टोरेंट में खाना नहीं खाया था।
We had not eaten at that restaurant earlier. We had not eaten at that restaurant earlier. Sentence number 18. The past perfect continuous tense, a negative form.
कल से उसकी तबीयत ठीक नहीं थी।
She hadn't been feeling well since yesterday. She hadn't been feeling well since yesterday. Future perfect tense, a negative form.
बारिश कल तक बंद हो जाएगी।
The rain will have stopped by tomorrow. The rain will have stopped by tomorrow. And the last sentence, sentence number 20, present perfect tense, a negative form.
मैंने उसे अभी तक नहीं देखा है।
I have not seen him yet. I have not seen him yet. I hope you found this tutorial easy to understand and helpful for you to speak. Keep watching and learning on my channel with more updated videos. That's all for today. See you all in my next video. Bye.